and that's when I touched my face and saw a lot of blood on my hands. I screamed, "Help, help!" And nobody helped me. I said, "Call 911 or anything else."
Stay tuned.
This is Life in the Philippines. Breaking news alert.
A 61-year-old Filipino man was slashed on his face with a box cutter and was left bleeding inside a subway train while his assailant escaped. Filipino Administrative Assistant Noel Quintana said he was on his way to work last Wednesday when the assailant slashed his face from ear to ear for no apparent reason.
He started kicking my bag. Actually, it's a tote bag. And I don't see any reason why, because I don't think it even touches him or something. And when I said, "What's wrong with you?" and I moved away from him, and that's why he slashed me.
After Quintana was slashed, no one on the train would help him. So Quintana sought help from a station attendant who called 911. He was brought to a hospital nearby where he received 100 stitches for his slashed face.
I thought he punched me, but I couldn't feel anything. And when I saw the reaction from the one seated in front of me, they were so shocked, and that's when I touched my face and saw a lot of blood on my hands. I screamed, "Help, help!" And nobody helped me. I said, "Call 911 or anything else."
The New York City Police Department described the assailant as a 20 to 30-year-old male with black afro hair who was last seen wearing a black jacket, red hoodie, blue jeans, red bandana, light colored sneakers, and a brown Louis Vuitton face mask.
A towering presence, one like the wind. Be a king or a queen. Life in the Philippines.